Sophies, what is up? Welcome to another video. I'm here in Royal High today on one of my friend's private servers. Shoutouts to the friend that has this private server joinable with their joins on, even though they're not in the server. But thank y'all, cause now I can use this private server. There's two private servers I'll be going into today, but today I'm doing some diamond farming methods as little tips and tricks. Cause I remember when I was a starter, I thought, oh my god, these hacks and tips and tricks on how to get diamonds. My farming methods were much different because there were a lot of diamonds on Earth in hidden spots and stuff, and now there's kind of less of that because Divinia Park is now here, and we don't have the pet shop thingy anymore, which is kind of sad, not gonna lie. That's actually something, it always kind of stuck with me because it was always a part of Earth and Divinia. And now Divinia Park kind of took it out, and that's kind of sad because there used to be diamonds on top of it and stuff, and it was just a really cute place to hang out, which was by the fountain, but now they replaced the fountain with a new fountain. So the old model is gone too. So they keep remodeling stuff, and yeah, so it kind of sucks sometimes. I mean, I love the remodeling, don't get me wrong. But, still, I wish there was a way we could have every single realm ever. Forever. Okay. As you wait by the fountain of dreams, after making your wish, you smell the sweet aroma of flowers where you could, wait, what? Where could that scent be coming from? It does not take long to find out, for when you look down to the fountain edge, you'll see somebody that planted a beautiful pink roses all around the fountain for spring, causing the air to smell like a magical flower field. You walk around to catch a better glimpse at the marvelous roses, and you are distracted by a strange figure in the distance. You kneel closer to investigate, and you see that it is a white bunny with a pink nose. With a pink rose on its head. You decide to pet it, because animals love to be pet. What if I... You hold your hand out to pet the bunny, and it bravely jumps on your lap. I can't possibly let this bunny stay out here in the rain. You think to yourself after a bit of thinking. You decide that the bunny seems to have no owner. You will help it find a loving home. You go door to door asking if someone wants to adopt a bunny, but are disappointed to learn that nobody is interested. After many letdowns, you ring the doorbell, and a sweet old lady answers the door. Excuse me, miss, would you be interested in adopting this bunny? You ask her. She happily accepts and gives you diamonds for the bunny. Man, I wanted to keep the bunny. I would have kept the bunny. First, I would have looked for the original, owner. Or, human, practically. Anyways, that was a cool story. Yeah. Okay, so we got some diamonds. That's good. Oh my god, that's funny. So the layout here is different because everything's kind of squished in, but now it actually shows... Oh my god, wait. Whoa! I'm gonna go here. Whoa. Wait. Oh, so now you can you only teleport to it if you're level 75? Or, whoa. Well, that's interesting. That's really cool. Okay. Anyways. Surfs up. Ride the waves when you fly with this surfboard. Whoa, there's a surfboard now? Cool, okay. Well, I'll check that out later. Because I do have time. I do have time. Whoa! I actually have enough. I have enough to buy this. Oh my god, okay. This is so cute. Okay. Well, let's buy it. This is one of the cheapest sets I think I've ever seen. No, this is the cheapest set. It's cheaper than the Cherry Blossom set. Is that right? Whoa. Okay. I've been looking at the catalog trying to get the new set because I've been seeing it and it was torturing me the other day when I saw like the leaks and stuff. Because I just downloaded Twitter just so I could get like the leaks from Night Barbie and stuff. Oh my god. So it finally came out after so long. See, I've been waiting. I've been waiting a long time for this. Whoa, okay. Fluttering butterfly skirt. Well, I guess Cyber now has something to wear throughout summer. Isn't that awesome, guys? She's been quite upset that she couldn't find a summer outfit. So now she has a summer outfit to wear. I'm guessing they're probably going to come out with more stuff. Now I must say, this is a really pretty set. But it's definitely not my favorite out of them all. It's cute with the Valentine's Day shoes. Here, let's just look at the design. So I didn't expect this. This is more of like a fantasy look, and it's more of like a spring style thing. So I do understand that because it kind of fits June the month. In fact, my birthday is coming really close. It's not on August. No, it's not on June, but in August. But this is really cute. So fluttering butterfly skirt and the fluttering butterfly bodice. See, this stuff was torturing me since last night till now, and it finally came. Okay, well, what is this? It's a surfboard. Wait, did the new ROM come out? I'm literally gonna be shook if it did. No, oh my god! It came out! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god! Guys, I'm so excited because I didn't expect this. I've been waiting all week. It's teleporting us to the apartment. Or did they get something in the coding wrong? Yeah, they got something in the coding a bit wrong here. So let's try again. Oh. Whoa! Oh, I think I just teleported to the wrong thing, maybe. Beach house. Oh my god! I gotta go to this place. Oh my god. We're saving up for that surfboard too, because like I can't live without any of the items. Well, I need to like collect a lot of stuff. It's not teleporting me, guys. Oh no. Am I gonna have to wait longer? Or is it just glitching? Well, let's go to the apartments first, collect my login, and then go. Because I've been waiting for the beach house for so long. Why is my apartment yellow? Was Rin on my account earlier? Probably not, but hopefully not. Hopefully not without my permission. Oh my god. Okay, we got 1,000 diamonds. Thank you, Royal High, for blessing me. Oh my god. I can't believe I haven't had enough for the new set. Okay. Beach house. Please. Don't teleport me. Okay. Oh my god. Is it teleporting? It's teleporting me to Royal High. It won't teleport me to the... Here, wait, let's leave. This is my screen recorder downloader thingy. Okay, I think we need to go into a different private server. By the way, so shoutouts to Beanie Boos and Pastel Rainbows 28 for allowing me to, well, not allowing me, but for having these private servers open. Wait. Okay, so we gotta join the private server. Thanks for leaving your joins on, sis. I'm very thankful for that. The thing is, there's so many realms, and practically all the time, see, people might even start calling it, like, beach house, or, like, apartments, or, like, Earth, because you see on the games page when you're teleporting onto, like, the different realms, the names of the realms, and it's kind of freaky, and it's very glitchy all of a sudden. I really, really need to check it out. Oh my god, are you serious? It's not gonna let me. It's not gonna let me in. Okay, wait. I think we gotta go to a everyday server. I'm so excited and I can't even witness it. I really want to show you guys. So I'm gonna work as hard as I can to show you in today's video. If I can't, my apologies. Oh my god. It won't work. It's only out in private servers. Wait. Wiggly Nugget. Should I join Wiggly Nugget's server? Maybe it won't be as glitchy. Oh my god. No! I really want to check out the update. Hello? Hello? Where'd my recorder go, sis? Why can't I open my screen recorder? Yeah. Okay, I think I need to reset Roblox. Oh my god, my recorder crashed. Shit. Close window and reopen it. Okay. Oh my god. Come on, man. I really need to record this. Oh. Go ha 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 ha. Bitch. Bitch juice, sauce, little bit of dressing, ice, wrist, little bit of flexing. Oh my god. Oh my, oh